everyone, welcome back. We are doing another quick mani today. Again, super simple. For this one, we are using Calaca by Revel and Daphne Martini by Triple D. And then I'm going to do a glitter accent nail, and I'm going to use Toasted Marshmallow by Panda Dips. And Panda Dips is super new to me. I know that they've been around for a little bit, but I love Panda Dips. The colors are great. The packaging, it's so easy to use because her jars are a little bit bigger. And you'll see this when we get to that color. So we're just going to get started. I am going to do Calaca on my middle finger. And then Daphne Martini is going to be on my thumb, pointer, and pinky. And then I'm going to do Toasted Marshmallow on my ring finger for the glitter accent. So we're just going to jump right in. Here we go with Calaca, first dip. And I totally flooded my cuticle a little bit on this first one. Also, I'm using Triple D liquids. They're my go-to right now. I have a couple brands of liquids, but I just have really liked Triple D's. So, and they're not too strong. They don't mess with me too much. So there, I'm just wiping off the extra liquid that I got all over the place and made a big mess with. So we're going to dip into Calaca. And just like my other videos, I'm going to let you guys watch the first dip of each nail in regular time. And then I'm going to super quick speed through my second dip and my clear capping. So, and I clear cap everything, whether it's glitter or not. I just feel like I put that time and effort into the dips, and it really doesn't take a lot more to get that extra layer of clear on there. So I just like to have that as a little buffer for me so that when I file and buff, I know I'm not going into the color, or if I am going into the color, I'm not going right through the color and down to my nails when I thin it out. So I'm just going to let you watch as I do my first dip, and I will be back in a minute. Okay, so here we go with the toasted marshmallow. This color is amazing. It is so pretty. And this is what I mean about the jars. They are so big. So they're like bigger around, but not super tall, if that makes any sense. So this color, I just gave it a little swirl. And the glitter in here, it's like chunky glitter, fine glitter. It's so pretty. And the chunky glitter shifts from like gold to blue to green. And then there's some darker in there also. I can't even. It is so good. I love it so much. So I'm going to lay down a layer of base. And then I'm just going to dip right into the container. And like I said, it's so easy to dip into these containers. And I actually only ended up needing to do one dip into the glitter. So sometimes I feel like when I do a chunky glitter, my one nail or whatever nail I'm doing the glitter on ends up thicker than the rest of my nails. So this was perfect because that one dip, and then I'll dip into clear. And here I'm just sticking my finger in the clear so that I can press down the glitter and make sure that it's really in there. And then I'm going to take my little container here that I just pour some extra clear into there so that I'm not getting glitter into my big 2-ounce jar. So I'm just going to do another layer of base. And then I'm going to take my big jar, my 2-ounce jar, and I'm just going to pour over my nail over top of that other little like Tupperware container. So I'm just going to make sure that I have a good layer of base so that I get a good layer of clear without getting it too thick. And I'm actually going to do 2 layers of clear so that I can really file and buff this because I do not want to cut into any of that glitter. It is way too pretty to ruin it with filing and buffing. So I'm going to let you watch that and I will be back. You guys have probably noticed the Manny that's on my right hand in this video, and I totally tried to film it, but it was late at night, and my camera kept telling me that my memory card was full, even though it wasn't, so I had to have my husband help me reformat it in the camera. But on there, the bright pink is Panda Dip's Pocket Full of Sunshine, and it's a UV changer. It's so fun. You need this color in your life. And then the chunky glitter that's on top of it is also Panda Dips, and it's Namaste at the Beach. And this color, I'm opening it right now, it is so amazing, and it's got chunks, like big chunky glitter, it's got fine glitter, it's got smaller chunky glitter. It's just so good. So that's what's on my right hand, and sorry you don't get to see the video for it, but maybe I will have to recreate it just so that I can post a video of it because I love the colors so much. And in the Pacific Northwest where I am, it's still summertime and it's still really warm. It's middle of August and we are supposed to hit 100-degree days again here soon. And we just had one actually. And so I feel like I can still get away with some hot pink mayonnaise. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to activate all of my nails once I did 2 coats of clear on that glitter. And then after I activate everything, I'm going to let it sit for a minute just to make sure that activator gets in there and gets everything hardened up like it's supposed to. And then I'm going to file and buff. And then we are going to finish up. And I said this was a simple mani. And sometimes the simple manis are just so good. I loved this one so much. And when I popped a nail off, because I used peel base, as per usual, every video, if I don't mention it, I just forgot to. But I use peel base all the time. The only time that I don't or wouldn't use peel base is if I wanted my mani to stay on while I was going away or something like that. But even then, usually I would just pop off my dip and just leave my builder gel. So I didn't include my filing and buffing this time. And here I'm just going to jump in with my Triple D top coat. This is actually the Delicate gel, and it's a base and top all in one. So I'm going to coat all my nails in that, and then I'm going to pop them in my lamp for 60 seconds. And I use the Sun UV UV LED lamp. So you do need a lamp to cure your gel. But look at this glitter. Oh, when the gel hits it, it's so beautiful. So I am just going to get those 4 nails done, pop those in the lamp, and then I am going to get my gel top on my thumb, pop that in the lamp, and then I am going to finish up with my cuticle oil. And the only cuticle I own is Candi Skincare, and I just love it. It's so good. It smells good. It feels good. My hands don't feel greasy when I use it. They just feel really nicely hydrated. So I will link the shops and everything that I use down in the description below. And just like in my other videos, I'll link everything that I have links to. I don't have any coupon codes for you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm way too new for that. But still, check them out. And there's tons of other YouTubers that do have coupon codes for a lot of different companies and a lot of different brands. So I highly recommend just seeing who's using what and seeing if they've got a code. So here we are. Top coat on my thumb. So you guys will have to let me know if you like this video. And the best way to do that is to just give me a like on that video so that I know that you like what I'm putting out there. And I would love it if you would subscribe, because I am really trying to post at least 2 manis a week. So I just filmed, while I'm doing this voiceover, I filmed another mani earlier tonight, so I will get ready to edit and voice over that one for you guys also. And I'm really excited. Oh, I got a little extra gel. You don't want to leave gel on your skin if you can, because that can lead to gel allergies. So here we are with my Cuticle Candy, and I use the Triple Y. This smells like summer. I love my summer smelling cuticle oil. So I'm just going to get that dotted on there. I'm going to get that rubbed in, and just to revive those cuticles and keep them nice and healthy. All right, you guys. I will see you all in the next video or chat at you in the next video. Hope you have a great day.